In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a zip file on Android. First of all, go to the Play Store and search for this app called Z-Archiver. Okay, once you have it, you can go ahead and open it up. And what you want to do now is select items that you want to go ahead and zip. So I'm going to see these two screenshots here. I'm going to tap on that button at the top, or not that one, the three dots, and then multi-select, and I'm going to select these two pictures. Then what I'm going to do is tap on the tick mark over there, and then I'm going to tap on that download button, and I don't want a .7z. I want to change this, drop down, I'll go cancel. I want to change the archive format to zip, and then I'm going to tap on OK. And just like that, there it is, screenshots.zip. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.